Hello traders, welcome to another daily market analysis video. Let's see what we can expect from market tomorrow. Nifty is in a trend channel. Here you can see these points. Here it made lower highs and lower lows. It's in a downward trending channel, and for any further up move or down move, it needs to break this trend channel. But one more thing is market may be in a sideways mode. We can see this kind of move for a couple of days. One day positive closing, one day negative closing, and another day positive closing. So for any further up move, it needs to consolidate. Market needs to consolidate, and we should see a breakout on any side for further up move. And the bigger picture is we are in an uptrend from this low point. Nifty rallied almost 1,000 points from this low point. This low point is around 6,900 and the high made is around 17,850. It's almost 950 points. And here Nifty is consolidating about 38.2 retracement level. This is a 38.2 retracement level, and this is a 50% fib level. So for any further up move or down move, we need to see a breakout or breakdown. And today Nifty tried to break this level, break this yesterday's low and the day before yesterday's low. After that it broken this level as well, but closed inside the range. And based on yesterday's planning, I expected a sideways day. So as soon as the market opened, I created a short straddle at the money short straddle 17,650 around 9:22 a.m. for a premium of 175 around 175, and I am in this trade for almost 3 hours. Around 12:30 I exited this trade because around 12:30 Nifty broke in a previous day's low. So I exited this short straddle around 175 premium. I exited this short straddle around the cost because after breaking the low it may fall further. That's what I expected. It may move in one direction, but after breaking this level and it formed another candle and it shot up higher. By end of the day, this short straddle lost. It opened somewhere here 177, 178. This is a previous day's closing 184, and after that it opened around 177 to 178. I shorted around 175, and after that it decayed almost 10 points. From 175 to 165, decayed 10 points. I waited for the decay and it shot up to 175 around 12:30 p.m. So I exited around this point because the low was broken, previous day's low was broken. So that means market may fall further. That's why I exited. After that it made another high around 178. After that you can see in that pullback this straddle lost almost 20 points. After making this high, almost it fell to 154, 155, and the closing price is also at 155. That means this straddle lost 20 points in intraday. That means that's a 1% gain on one lot using a capital of 1 lakh. Okay, that's all for the trade. On Monday also I'm expecting a sideways day. If it opens inside the range, and if it opens a gap up or gap down, we may see different bias. But based on weekly closing, Nifty closed 200 points negative and Bank Nifty closed just 14-15 points negative, and it's almost at the previous week's closing. And as per this weekly closing, Nifty is bearish in a weekly time frame. Nifty is bearish and Bank Nifty is bullish as per this closing. If this weekly low breaks, we can expect a further fall, and Nifty is clearly bearish. If this low breaks, we can expect further fall. If we check it in a daily time frame, Nifty is consolidating in this range. It may consolidate for a few more days. Like this scenario, I am expecting a scenario like this, and it may consolidate and we may see a price action. We have seen a price action here also. We may see a price action like this, and it may fall further. It can make a higher low and it can break this low, or it can go higher and make a higher low and it can break out. Anything is possible, or it can break out directly. Anything is possible. Let's see what's going to happen next week. We'll get a confirmation next week, and Nifty and Bank Nifty both are showing different things. Bank Nifty also consolidating at the upper end of the range. Three candles, almost a similar range. Bank Nifty is bullish because it's hovering around the highest point. Nifty also hovering around the highest point. It's not even retraced 50% from this low. If you can use this fib levels from this low or from this low, it's not even touched this 0.38 level, 38.2 fib retracement level. Nifty not even touched it, and it's about this 200 EMA and 20 EMA. Let's check the Bank Nifty price action in a 15 minutes time frame. Bank Nifty's closing is negative. Nifty closed almost flat, but Bank Nifty's closing is negative. Here you can see positive bias, negative bias, positive bias, and again negative bias. I don't have any level for tomorrow, but I am expecting a sideways day. Sideways day, if it opens inside the range, if it's going to open outside the range, we can see some kind of momentum. Let's see what's going to happen over the weekend. If there is no gap up or gap down, big gap up or big gap down, we can see a sideways day on Monday as well. Let's check the options data. Options data is negative in Nifty. Nifty's PCR is 0.82. Option sellers are writing this 17,700 call, and you can see short straddles around 17,600. That's a closing price. That's almost a closing price 17,600, and you can see few short straddles around 17,650, and you can see some of the short straddles around 17,700, but the call rating is heavy compared to puts. It's almost double call rating here at 17,700. Let's check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty's PCR is 0.74, which is a bearish, and option sellers are rating this as 42,000 short straddles, and also all these calls 42,200, and you can see small amount of quantity at 42,100 for short straddles, and 42,300, 42,500 call rating. Let's check the premiums. Nifty ATM straddle is 17,600, and the premium for call leg is 105. For put leg is 58. It's around 160 points to 162 points premium in Nifty. Let's check it in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty's ATM straddle is 40 to 100, and the premium on call leg is 274, and the premium on put leg is 250. It's around 524 points premium for this Bank Nifty ATM short straddle. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. Let's see what happens. If there are any major updates over the weekend, if there is any big gap down or a big gap up, we'll plan another video. Otherwise, you can follow this analysis for Monday. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.